And welcome to Al's Kitchen, where I make Chef Ramsay look like a beginner cook. Today's little menu is going to be Canadian perch. This is freshwater perch, direct from Canada. I've had it soaking in milk for maybe about 15 minutes. There's your perch, nice fillets, and I always like perch. And when I discovered fresh perch at the Price Chopper grocery store, I ordered up a couple pounds of it. And I eat a lot of fish. I can literally eat 2 pounds of it for dinner. Got the egg mix here. And got the bowl here with breadcrumbs. And I usually like to use Italian breadcrumbs. Some people like to use the panko breadcrumbs. I've used them a couple times by mistake. I really don't prefer them. But I'm sure you just... I always like to soak my egg mix. Soak the fish in milk before putting it in the egg mix. Just an old way of doing it. And then we got our breadcrumb perch. Probably be less health problems in this country. And I think with olive oil, the foods cook and fry much better. Not only that, but I have used veggie oil, canola oil, and my stomach reacts very badly to those oils. To olive oil, very rarely. I like the garlic that's in a jar, kept in olive oil. I don't like the one in water. But if you're going to cook fish and cook it right, use fresh garlic. Don't be lazy. And just get that all in there. And trust me, the oil will get out of the garlic. I can already smell it. When are they going to invent a camera that allows people to smell what you're smelling? Then again, that's probably a bad idea, because if you're in the bathroom or in a farm field, I can see with cows.
And here it is, folks.
I got my Canadian fried perch. Nice presentation. Chef Ramsay and the American Culinary Institute are probably really jealous. I got my bowl of broccoli, frozen broccoli, right in the middle. I microwaved it. I didn't steam it. Sorry, I'm lazy. Got my bowl of Price Chopper tartar sauce. Price Chopper actually has a pretty good brand of tartar sauce. It's probably a main brand of tartar sauce. It's just relabeled Price Chopper, but their tartar sauce is pretty good. I got that in a separate bowl. Have a nice